Hey guys, welcome back on my motherland stuff. Okay, today we're going to be talking about how to list variable product. You do remember we have talked about last time. We talked about how to list simple product. That one is not complicated, right? So today we're going to be covering how to list variable product. Variable product, like I was telling you last on the last tutorial, is when you get a product like let's say a t-shirt. You want to sell some t-shirt, okay, and you have some with different colors with different prices, right? So if it's for that, you're gonna come here and choose variable product, right? You choose variable product. In this tutorial, we're gonna cover variable product, group product, and external product at the same time because ocean is another topic, right? So we first start with variable product. Then uh, you write down your price as we've done it in simple product. You write your title, your product title. You choose the pictures. Okay. Here you choose for variable product. You choose a main picture. Okay. Maybe you can just choose a picture of not the product, but a picture of somebody wearing it. Okay. You choose it and add up some if you want. Okay. We have done already last time how to do that. We have done it already, right? So you come down, you write your short description and so and so. You choose the categories, your category, you choose it. If you want to write more description, you write also your tag, your catalog visibility. But the difference with simple product is here. We don't touch the inventory. If I talked about it last time, same thing, shipping, same thing. But the difference is here, attribute and variation. Okay? Links, same thing as simple product. Product policy, same thing. Advanced, same thing. So what we're gonna cover here on that topic, in this topic, is attributes, how we use the attribute and variations, right? So because it's a variable product we're listing, right? So let's say that we are varying the color, right? Then you're gonna check color. Okay, you check color. So you come down here to see how many color you have in stock and want to list. Then let's say we have aqua or black. Let's say and so we choose two. Okay, at the same time I want to tell you, if you want, you can still select all of the the attribute. Like you can see, we have a lot of colors in. So okay, but that's not what we want to do right now. So let me remove it. Okay, or you can also come here and click on select none. Okay, you see, you select, you come here, then you can also come and click and sorry. Okay, we have to remove them. Okay, sorry, he's coming. Good, good, right? So select none is with you select no color, right? Select all like I've showed you already. But if you don't find that the color you're looking for in the list of attributes here, you can create one for yourself. Let's say aqua blue. Let's say aqua blue. Aqua blue. Who knows? Or I'm saying rubbish, right? Or dark gray. Let's say dark blue. Okay, dark blue. You can create one for yourself, right? And then it will come out. You see, it's come out here. You don't have it in the list. Let's see if you have dark blue in the list. Okay, we didn't have it, but we created it, right? So that one is for. You don't have a color you're looking for, you can add new, right? But if you have one, then you just click here, like aqua and black. When you finish, I need to tell you something before we continue. If you haven't choose any attribute and you come here and try to work on the variation, the system is going to tell you before you can add a variation, you need to add some variation attribute on the attribute is tab, right? Is mean here. Sorry, is mean here, right? So we have chosen color and let's go back aqua and black, and always check those two visible on the product page and use as variation. When you're done, okay, you leave it like that, and you come in and you come here. If you also want to work on the size, you're just gonna come and click on the size and repeat the same thing. Okay, same like I told you. You can see we have a lot of kind of size, 300, XXL, and so on. But if you don't have it, you don't have the kind of size you listen, you can create it, right? So that's what we were talking about. And at the same time, like I was saying here, as you can create an attribute value, you can also create an attribute. Let's say that you are looking, here we just have color and size, and you want to create an attribute called model. Okay, you can come here and type the name of the attribute model, right? And the values it can have, okay? You write them there and make sure to separate them with this bar. As you can see here, you see enter some text, some attribute by separated by this bar, okay? Or the vertical bar, okay? Something like this. Let me say model. Let me say model 1, right? Then space, this bar, then model 2. Okay, when I'm done, see, I just create a new attribute like that. Okay, that's how you create an attribute. And when you come here, you find it. When you come variation, you find it. So here we have the color. You see, because we have chosen color here, right? Okay, I haven't chosen size. Okay, if I choose the size, let's say I've chosen 30 for the size of. It depends on the thing you are listening, right? So if I've chosen size, okay. Let me see if I'm choosing model. Okay, model, yes, you have been chosen 34. Then you just come here, variation, and you're going to vary your product as you wish. So, if you want people when they go on your page to see per default, because when they go on the page, they have to get a per default value. So you come here. Maybe we want to system to display per default an aqua. Let's say it's a T-shirt, aqua color T-shirt, which is the first model and 30 as size, right? Then you move on. Okay, for now, the variation bulk option, we weren't going to talk about it. We weren't going to talk about it right now. It's going to be in another topic. Okay, we'll talk about it later. Then you come here. Then you come here. Okay, and you want to define the per product, okay, the variation you have in stock, okay. Maybe you have a white shirt. Okay, here we have chosen aqua and black. You have an aqua shirt with 30 size, and it's the first model, right? So you come here, you choose your 30 as size, the model. You choose model 1 and the sorry and the aqua color. Okay, so when you do that, you have to specify here. Okay, enable. Okay, we don't talk about downloadable, virtual. So if you want, as you've done during the simple product, you can manage the stock, right? You see, and when you click on manage the stock, you can see he wrote down stock quantity, back order allowed, not allowed. We have covered those things last time, right? You have the same process, the same procedure like when you listing your simple product. You have the regular price, sale price. You can define, if you are managing the store, you can define a code for your product and so and so. You also have a, a shipping class. Okay, you can put the free shipping, large shipping, medium shipping, and so all of those. Okay. If you leave it at same as parent, okay, same as parent here is like you are not defining any shipping, like no shipping class. It will consider 20 RMB, okay? You consider 20 RMB because if you come here, you see, you consider this like a parent, right? You consider this like the first displaying like a parent, like here, shipping class is no shipping class. If you have put, for example, when you come on the page, okay, like this, we put the main page, and so if you have chosen it here, free shipping, okay, and then you come to the variation, and sorry, it's coming. Okay, we have, okay, it's coming. Yeah, sorry. Good. Let's go back. Variation. Okay, good. And you're here. Okay. For the, if you leave it at same as parent, it will consider. Okay, if you have chosen free shipping, it will consider the same thing here. It's being same as parent. It's being free shipping too. Okay. So what I advise you is that you don't touch this one. You leave it at no. You leave it at no shipping cost, right? And then you come here to do your variation, right? When you're here, let me see your variation. You can come here and free shipping. It's up to you, okay? You can choose for, if somebody buy free, a white shirt, you do free shipping. Somebody black shirt, you want to put it on medium shipping. It's up to you, you know. It's up to you. So all of the same thing you got when you listen to the same product are here. You, for the picture, the product, you see the variation you are doing here. Imagine that is an aqua, right? If you got a picture of an aqua t-shirt, you can come here, you click on this, and then you go and select the aqua picture on your on your computer. Okay, it will list it. So when somebody on the platform is trying to buy an aqua, the simple thing he's gonna do is, let's see if we have something similar here. I can show you. Okay, let's consider this t-shirt, right? No, not the t-shirt. Let's consider something like, come in, let me see if I have an example here. I can show you how it works. An example of variation. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let's see if we can find something with this product, sorry. Okay, the time for the platform to upload the article. I go back to what I was saying. Good. So sorry, this is not what we're doing. Good. So okay. So you see, after choosing your variation for the t-shirt, which is aqua, okay, you put every information. You put all the information as in when you're doing the simple product. Not here. As when you okay, it's already here. You see here, this lady is an example of uh, uh, variation product, right? You see, for the first picture, okay, you see her, you see the first picture you've chosen, you see something like this, right? Now, so you want to look for the other option, right? She have black and white. You're looking for white one. So you're looking for white one. The size, you see, she said for the white one you have 7 in stock. Black one also have 7 in stock. You can see it here. Okay, so you're looking for the white one, the size you want, X, right? Okay, she haven't. Okay, for her example, she haven't put the picture. But if she have put in the picture, you may have seen it, right? You may have seen it. The price are the same, okay? And then when you add it to the cart, you know, when you receive your order, it will mention you're looking for white shirt, white t-shirt, S size, right? And the quantity you can add up. Okay, we'll come back later for how to buy on Mymotherland. That one we're not doing here now, right now. So when you write everything, but I advise you, okay, when you are listening, to put the picture of the variation. Like here we have aqua, then you click here and go and put the picture of aqua. Okay, you define your price here, the regular price. You're going on sale, the sale schedule, when you start, when you end. Okay, we were discussing about it when we were doing the simple product. We weren't going to come back again. So, but the only different thing we got here is about tax. Okay, but right now, because okay, we're not charging people yet. Okay, not us, but let's say the government in China not charging people. Yes, so we're gonna leave it to standard. Okay, if later they have defined reduced rate or zero rate, right? then we can choose it. I think you should write zero rate, okay, so that everything go well, because right now people are not paying tax per the article they buy, right? So we leave it like zero rate, I think. So then the product, if you have some specific description, you write it there, okay? And you done for uh, your variation. So when you finish with the first variation, you just need to come here, okay? This was the first variation. Then you're gonna choose another one, okay? But if you want to choose another one, you're gonna click on this one to make another variation. Let's say you have 20, 30, 32. The model is number 2. Model 2, the color is black. It's up to you. You can see have aqua. It's up to you. And you repeat the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. The price. And if you are going on promotion, it's up to you. When you finish, you can have a lot of kind of variation. You see, you continue. He proposed you another one like 30, model 2, model 1, and black, which didn't have this variation. Then, see, and then when you finish to write everything, loading your picture, then you click on, you see that, and so you have this kind of variation. So that's how you do with your uh, that's how you list a variable product. So I promise you that we will be talking on this topic about group product and external or affiliate product. Okay, so let's jump right now to group product. Okay, so group product is the same thing as simple product. Title, pictures, so short description, categories. If you want long description, tags, catalog, visibility, okay, and so and so. Where is the difference here? You can also choose. See, inventory is the same process. Attributes, like I was telling you, you define the color. It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, you can do the same thing. It's up to you. Like variable, what we've done with variable product right now, right? Linked, same thing. We've talked about it during the simple product listing process. Product policy, advanced. The difference is here. Group product. What is that for? Group product is like you're selling two articles. Okay, you don't want just to sell one. You want to sell like a cap, a T-shirt, and a jean. Okay, at a one defined price. Usually on your platform, you may have had a price for your cap. Okay, you may have listed a cap, and you'll be selling it at 50 RMB. You may have listed your T-shirt, you may be selling it at, I don't know, 90, and your jeans, you may be selling it at let's say 120. But for this group product list, you just want to fix a price for those three. You can say, okay, buy a casket, buy a cap, a T-shirt, a jean, okay, at the price of, let's say, 150. Wow, people who don't like that, okay, that's what you do here. So you just come here. So, like what we've done during the upsell, okay, when we're listing the simple product, you just come here to choose your product. Imagine that you're looking for earring, right? You want to list ear, okay, ear. Okay, let's say that. Okay, let's say that you listen to this thing. Imagine that this product belongs to you, okay, because this right now is not your product, right? So maybe you can choose this article, let's say this article, okay, and you want to group it with, I don't know, let me say here, right? Let's see, come on. Okay, he's gonna give you another one. Okay, on this store, these are the product. You want to group it with Bluetooth here, so you can choose. Okay, it's up to you. You can choose as many as you want. We can say buy those two products at one unique price, right? That's how we group a product. That's what it's for. So it's the same thing, but just the difference is that the product you already have listed. You have to have listed the product first. So you have to have listed the product as a simple product first. So you have to be on the platform already, right? Otherwise, when you search for it, you won't get anything. Okay. here, for example, the time think anchors is how that this store, okay, the time, okay, the time you're gonna see it will display, okay, it's already here, right? It will let us display, let us see what we're doing. Okay, it have to be already there so that we can group it. If you haven't listed yes as a simple product, you cannot group it. So you see, you group it is a kind of promotion. Okay, you can group three articles together. Let's consider that those three articles are 100 RMB each of them, and then you can group them and sell them at. When you group three, normally it's supposed to be 300, but you'll be selling it at 220. Who don't like this kind of promotion, right? Everybody will like it, and it will draw a lot of traffic on your shop. You see, this one, this product have already been listed, right? You see, so you come here to just group it, okay, with other product. That's what this is for, the group product. So you see, so let me remove it. So we've talked about the group product, but now let's talk about uh, external of affiliated product. What does that mean? It's the same product, right? It's the same process, sorry. But you see, you write the product you want to list, you write the title here, the image, okay, the images. Now here, why it's called external of affiliate product? Your store, you already got your own websites, right? You don't want to waste time and repeat again, then you put the picture, okay, and the price, of course. If you are on sale, we already talked about that one. The short description, tag, and so da, 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 you see, and so attribute, inventory attributes, links, and so adverts. Okay, let's go back. So the variation is here. The difference is here. You have to paste your URL, the URL of your product. Let's say that this is another website. Okay, you come here, okay, you click, then you come here and paste it. You see? And let's see, this one button text, okay, when you paste, okay, the URL, okay, on the product page, there will be a kind of button, okay, so that you can click. As you can see here, you see the text will be shown on the button link to the external product. This button, what did it help you to? Imagine that you just want to use Mymotherland platform to display your product here. Okay, you see, you write the price, or you are on a sale price. You write everything here. You define everything. Now, but you like when somebody is buying that product, you want to redirect them to your platform. Okay, then you put a text on the button. Then it will come out. You can say, "Go, go on my site." Okay, you click on it. You see, for example, you have descended, the external URL to the product is here. We have paste one. This is an example. And when you list your product, or when you finish it, when somebody go on that on your shop to see that product, you're gonna see a kind of button. Then on the button is gonna be written "Go on my site." So the person is gonna click on it and it take him to your site, right? But you we continue with our process because we have nothing to do with your site, sorry. So you write the price and the same thing as a simple product. So that was the difference between external and simple, but otherwise the process is a little similar, right? So guys, I hope you've understand how to list those three different kind of uh, I hope you understand these three different way of listing the product: variable product listing, group product listing, and external or affiliate product listing. Thank you for listening to us. We've been covering, I think, the last topic of this tutorial, which is going to be ocean. It's like when you have an article, a used one, right, and you want to sell it out, you can also put it on our platform. Okay, how to list it, how to do it. Okay, we're going to be talking about it in the next topic. Thank you. It was Edmund from my motherland staff. Ciao, ciao.